A very good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's edition of The Bottom Line.
Let us take you through the top headlines of the day. Indigo to open 7 new stations to boost regional connectivity. Gujarat Chief Minister unveils new tourism policy focusing on high priority centres. Negative COVID test required to enter England from 15 Jan. Pangong Lake in Ladakh reopens for tourists. Odisha to develop Chandrabhaga and Talsari beaches into world-class tourist destinations. Air travel restrictions across Latin America and Caribbean threaten economic recovery, says aviation body.
Indigo has announced that it plans to initiate flights from 7 new stations in India to boost regional connectivity. The new stations will be in Leh, Darbhanga, Agra, Kurnool, Bareilly, Durgapur, and Rajkot, subject to regulatory approvals and slot allocation. The Indian low-cost carrier plans to open Leh and Darbhanga in February, followed by Kurnool and Agra in March, Bareilly and Durgapur in April, and Rajkot in May 2021. Commenting on this, Ronojoy Datta, Chief Executive Officer, Indigo, said, Indigo is on a continuous mission to build the best airline system in the world. This means customers should be able to travel by air easily and affordably between all the cities and towns across the country. Hence, we plan to open 7 more stations on our network, which include Leh, Darbhanga, Agra, Kurnool, Bareilly, Durgapur, and Rajkot. Operating in these stations will boost economic growth in these regions while providing access to our customers to the safest mode of transportation as Tier 2 cities lead growth and recovery for the nation.
With a special focus on attracting new investments in Gujarat's high priority tourist centres by offering lucrative incentives, Chief Minister Vijay Rupani declared its new tourism policy for 2021 to 2025. Talking about this, the Chief Minister said, "We want to give more importance on tourism this time and tourism of world class. I'm confident that with this policy, Gujarat will be a global choice for tourism."
International travellers will need to present a negative COVID-19 test to enter England from 15th January. Passengers will be required to take a test 72 hours before departure by plane, train, or ferry and provide evidence of a negative result or be refused permission to board. The move comes in response to the worsening incidence of transmission around the world and particularly the emergence of new coronavirus variant, ministers said. Commenting on this, Robert Coates, Transport Minister UK, said, "Both globally and domestically, we are seeing significant increase in levels of coronavirus, including the emergence of worrying new strains. It is therefore imperative that we ensure we are doing all we can to protect travel, reduce the risk of imported infections, including the new variants, and protect our NHS while national lockdown and vaccinations take effect." That's all we have for you in today's edition of The Bottom Line.
For more news and updates, wait until tomorrow. Have a great day today.